Hello everyone, this is Alex from the Quant Trade Edge Discord server. And by the way, this is my profile on Discord. So this is my exact username. There is no dot before it or after it. And it's not Quantum Trade Edge. My role is the owner of the server with my partner Rangan. And these dates are unique to my profile. So please don't fall for the scammers. So I'm doing this video because members asked me to do a video recap. So I decided to do daily recaps whenever I see something interesting in the market happening. So this is a recap about the Friday session. So on Thursday, uh, one of our members asked me about my view on the market, and basically I sent him this chart, which is the exact same chart as this one. And I wrote to him, I'm waiting for this to close above the previous to change to bullish. For now, I'm staying neutral. And the reason that I wrote this, and this is on Thursday, is that we've been having this rally on the NQ. And as we're rallying and making higher highs and higher lows, this is the RSI 14 reading. And it's been making lower lows. So we're having a divergence that's been going on for a long time, which indicates that the market is losing momentum. So whenever I see a divergence, I'm very cautious of any move up. So we approach the day with an open mind. And going back to our Discord, so basically we watched the market as it opened. So this is the 5-minute chart of the NQ. This is the news bar, and we arranged within that news bar. This is the opening bar. So we had a bullish bar followed by a bearish bar that went below the previous one, an inside bar, another bullish bar. And as this move was happening, I was watching Nvidia because it's been dragging the market up and down the last couple of days. And it is at an all-time high. And so what Nvidia did on Friday was gap up again, very predictable. And we had this level on the pre-market. And if you see this level here, it's 959. And we got rejected here once, pre-market, twice, third time. And as the market opened, Nvidia ranged within this 5 minute, first 5 minutes, and tried to pierce that level a couple of times, got rejected. And around 10 o'clock, I was watching Nvidia. We go back to NQ, and NQ started rallying from 950, closed at the highs, and 955 we had a breakout on NQ. And this is the 5 minutes view, and this is the 1 minute view. So this is that line, this is the high. So NQ started rallying before Nvidia did. And on the Discord, I said at 9:55, I said watch Nvidia if it breaks pre-market highs or not. So at 9:55, I was watching NVIDIA, and NQ started running already, and I was watching NVIDIA if it does or not, because if NVIDIA breaks and goes higher, NQ will go higher. And this is basically what happened. So we had on NQ, so we had successful breakout, a green 5-minute bar closing on its high here, and this is the 55, and this is the 10 o'clock bar that coincided with the breakout of NVIDIA. And when NVIDIA broke out, I looked at the 1-minute chart, and if we put our Quantrade Edge scalper, so I go back to the Discord. At 10:04, I said Quantrade Edge scalp in action. That's a 1-minute scalp technique that we use. And at 4:04, I said I'm in. And we took, so this is 10:02, 10:03, this is 10:04 bar. So we took this long. So we have a red bar followed by a green bar. We have ascending EMA. So we go long here with a stop below that bar. And basically we went all the way up. And to see how much did we get on this trade? 3x. So so this is our first trade. So I went long here. This is my trade. I went long here, exited here, left runners, and stop at break even. Just a couple of ticks above break even. And that was our first trade. And that's why we took it. That's why I took it. And then second trade, let's see. So the second trade was, so someone was asking me on the Discord, why did I take that trade? And my answer was context, because the context was favorable to that trade. So next trade would be, okay, at 10:49. Okay, I remember why we took this trade. So let me hide the other. So this is now, when we look at NQ, this looks like an uptrend. We don't have these bars there. So successful green bars, close on their highs. So this looks like an uptrend. And around this time, we start going down. So this looks like a retracement. And basically, I started looking at a 2-minute with the leg indicator on. So let me put this, take it off. So this is the high. So this is a high. So from this high, we had a 2-minute ABC, which triggered, right, 2-minute. Okay, there is. So we had, so from this high, we had one leg, A, B, C, and it did trigger. So when I saw it triggering, it triggered here. Okay. When I saw it triggering and it came back down close to this level right here to the stop, if it did take out this low, that would be a 2-minute U-turn. And so I was confident that it wouldn't take out this low. And that's why I said long NQ at 1049, stop below the swing low. And basically stop below this swing low here. And I'll show you my target and why my target was, switch to 5 minutes here. So this is that level right here, and we took it somewhere here at 1049, and I said it's a couple of points risk, so it's worth a shot because we had support at VWAP. Because VWAP, I have it on my other platform. VWAP support was around just below this green bar. So as it retraced here, we took it for like a 10-point risk, and my target on it was, let me see, my target was 18,391.75, and I'll explain why my target was exactly that level. So this is a retracement that was happening. So a couple of red bars, followed by green bar, followed by a green bar, red bar as a doji. So we find a support here. And basically, if we were gonna make a 5-minute ABC after this rally, we probably, around here, we probably make that first leg up, followed by another swing low and the second leg up. So basically I was waiting for the first leg to trigger. That's why my target was exactly, my target was exactly one tick above that 5-minute green bar, see? 18,391.75. 18,391.75, so this level right here. 91.75. Exactly here. So we took it from here to this level right here. And of course I got reached, and I said ding ding ding, target reached. And oh, sorry. So here at 10:53, I explained to our members that if we're going to have a 5-minute ABC, we need to mark the first leg here, so the first leg here. So expecting to take bar 16 high, and this is basically the bar 16 high. This bar right here is number 16. Let me put my bar counter. No, it's messed up. Okay. Never mind. It's gonna take time to just configure it. So this is bar number 16. From that point on, So this is, so that was trade number 2. So stop at break even now. So this is the first leg. So I was expecting it to take out that low. So for the C leg to go below the A leg and make a 5-minute ABC. So at 11, I was expecting the market just to retrace and make a 5-minute ABC and go back up. At 11:02, I got stopped out on my runners, and now I said we're gonna see if we're gonna make a 5-minute ABC or not. And I said if we drop too much, we will reevaluate. And then I was looking at Nvidia, and Nvidia started trading below its open. So this is Nvidia. This is the open on Nvidia, and Nvidia came back and crashed and started trading below its open. It didn't find support. And that's when I said the character of the market has changed. And Nvidia was trading like a penny stock. By 11:09, I said not looking for an ABC anymore, ABC long anymore, looking to short NQ now. The reason for that is that I was looking at the tech stocks. This is Meta. It made a U-turn. This is Microsoft, made a U-turn as well. And this is Nvidia. And this is Amazon. So basically something was changing in the market. And by 11:14, let's go back to NQ. So this is 11, this is 11:05, and this is the 11:10 to 11:15 bar. And this is important here to show you to explain to you the reason why I took this trade. So this is the, yes, the 10 to the 15 bar. Okay, and this is what I wrote. If we don't bounce back here, it's a short, and the target will be 18,215. I said we're trading below the open on NQ. And at 11:17, short NQ stop above the 1-minute swing. Target 18,215, and I said that's a bold man's pattern. Quantrade Edge calls it that way. And I said that's Globex. So why I took this trade? So this is the bar that made this swing right here. And basically, after a drop like this, if we take out the low of this bar, it's a short with a stop right above that bar, which basically coincides with this 1-minute swing. So basically we go short below the 5-minute bar with a stop above that bar. And that's what we did. So short NQ at 11:17. So 11:16 here, 11:16, 17. Yeah, so I went short here with a stop above here, looking for continuation. And target was 18,215, and that's 18,115. That's right here. Let me put a line. That was our first target, just above Globex, somewhere, yeah, close enough. Just above Globex low at that time. I left runners, and we dropped 200 more points, 215 to 820. Yes, and I had to leave, so I got out of my runners somewhere here, and I was done for the day. So that's how we do it on our Discord, and hopefully I'll do. So here I said target reach by 11:28, and hopefully I'll try to find time to do more of these. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.